Welcome to 5/124 First Avenue at Bassendean. Lovely positioned complex on a quiet street. That second story unit there is the one we're looking at today. Secure gated complex, bike rack here, and a parking bay just down this way. Bin storage, and these stairs lead to the unit. Stepping inside, you've got an intercom, kitchen space, dishwasher, range hood, built-in oven, split cycle air conditioner in the corner, a big open plan living area. Walking through to the balcony, possibly the best balcony in the complex. Really nice views over Bassendean, outdoor tap, a lot of space. Let's go through to the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 here, built-in robe, split cycle aircon and an ensuite bathroom. Shower, toilet, cabinets. Linen cupboards here and here. And bedroom number 2, also with split cycle aircon. Nice view. Built-in robes also. And your second bathroom. Just take a look out on the balcony one more time. Really nice views over the complex. We'll walk downstairs. That's the unit. 5/124 First Avenue, Bassendean.